The fifth product on this list is the VOX V5 Pro. VOX, with a decade of expertise in auto electronics, has excelled with the V5 Pro rear view mirror camera. It replaces your regular rear view mirror, decluttering your dashboard. Its 9.35-inch full-screen display offers a field of vision 4 times larger than a traditional mirror. The touchscreen is glare-resistant, enabling you to control settings, switch displays, adjust brightness, and customize parking lines. While recorded footage can be easily played back on the screen, it requires a separate SD card for storage. What sets the V5 Pro apart is its seamless integration of a backup camera and dash cam into one sleek device. This rearview mirror camera offers GPS tracking and activates recording in case of a collision or break-in, making it a smart all-in-one companion for your car. Additionally, the V5 Pro provides a wide 150-degree rear view angle, simplifying reversing and parking. Say goodbye to accidental bumps and scrapes with crystal clear 1080p footage that captures every detail day or night, thanks to its night vision mode and special glass and sensors designed to combat high beams. It's the ultimate solution for stress-free driving, ensuring you never miss a detail. Its pros are: its 150-degree rear view angle provides a broad view, eliminating blind spots and making parking easier. It functions as a dash cam, recording incidents and collisions for added security, and it captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. However, it requires a separate purchase of an SD card for video storage. To sum it up, the VOX V5 Pro is worth every dollar, especially if you're looking for a top-of-the-line backup camera that doubles as a dash cam, has an anti-vibration design, anti-glare screen, and smart battery protection.